Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you my wardrobe project that I have coded up myself. I thought I'd do a little series of showing you my projects that I have made. But yes, I'm really happy how this project has turned out. I have made it quite cute, aesthetic and girly, which is just me. I also have a new mic set up, which is nice. Never mind, let's get on with it. So, my awesome project that I love, how it came about was basically, I'm going to uni in September and I wanted something to like track what clothes I had wear, because I'm a girl and I want to make sure that I know where my clothes are, like are they at uni or are they at home, like specific items and stuff like that. So yes, that's the purpose behind this project, is to keep organised with the clothes that I have. This is the home wardrobe, and these are some items that I've already put in, and they have different categories. So if I go in shoes, my shoes will display, and other and t-shirts are there as well. So yeah, and then if I go to the uni wardrobe, there are items that I've put in the uni wardrobe. Those are the ones all together, and then if you click on the specific categories you get those too. So there we go. Right, so if I go back to home, then I've got these buttons. I've got a move an item, add an item, and permanent delete an item. So yeah, so if I wanted to move my dress into the uni wardrobe, I could click on this and are you sure you want to move this item? Yes, I am. So I will click that and then it will be in the uni wardrobe. If I refresh this, it goes back to the home wardrobe, and then if I press on uni, it's there. So yeah. Then if I want to, say I want to add a t-shirt or something, I'll put a description and a t-shirt. I'll upload it from my image folder and make it home, part of the home wardrobe. I've included validation, so say I forgot to select a category, because all items that are in the wardrobe need a category. It should, before, yeah, when I submit it, it comes up with an alert saying please select a category. So I will put it to t-shirt, add the item, and then if I go back to home, it's there. Woo. Yeah, so that's basically this project. If I try and minimize it, yeah, so I'll show you how it's responsive. Yeah, you'll just see how objects, they're not objects, how things move on the screen according to the screen size. Yeah, so for like mobile devices and things, the categories that are sort of like in the navigation bar become in a column, and yeah, we've got some font changes, and yeah, the items get displayed in a column as well. So yeah, so I'll show you the HTML that goes with it. I'm not showing you the JavaScript because, not gonna lie, it's like over 800 lines of code, and we could be here all day and I'm sure you wouldn't want that, so we will go to the HTML and I will explain briefly what's going on. So yeah, so we've got the head element, which contains information about the web page that's not actually displayed on the web page. So it's the things like the title name of the web page, any links to CSS and things like that, trying to making it accessible and responsive for mobile devices and things like that. Yeah, we've got the body tag, which displays the content of the web page. Here I've got the header. The header is this green bit here, and we have, yeah, the text Hans wardrobe and all the items. We have all the categories here, which are displayed in lists, and then we have our go to uni/home toggle button, which I've put a button in HTML for. Then we have a banner sort of thing that I've made, which is this white block here. And yeah, we've got the move an item, don't know, oh yeah, I did make that a button. Then we've got the text, home wardrobe items, and then we've got the two buttons which are images, because I had to insert a plus and a minus image. Then we have our main section, which it doesn't look like it's got anything in with the HTML. That's because it dynamically gets inserted with JavaScript. So yeah, the items get displayed and they change and stuff like that, all through JavaScript, not through HTML. So yeah. Then we have the footer made by my name, and that's there at the bottom. Yes, I've got a few content things that I've added to do with modals. So the first one is this move an item modal, and yeah, I've got a P tag saying select the item you'd like to move. So that's that there, and then if you click on one of these items, yeah, we display the yes and the cancel button according to that. Then we've got, oh, you can tell I'm not using the mouse, can't you? Then I've got the modal add overlay. So that's this, and yeah, I've made a form with, yeah, inputting description, uploading an image, and then the categories are all inputs elements for HTML. Yeah, and then it's got like the text, like location, and then more input elements, and a submit button as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the HTML. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed having a little deep dive into my project. I think it was a really cool idea. I don't think I've seen anyone really do anything like this before, although I'm sure people have come up with similar things. If you have any tips, tricks, or constructive criticism, I am absolutely open to that, open to ideas and suggestions that are new to me, so feel free to comment that below if you would like to, but please be kind, otherwise it's not going to get you anywhere in life. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.